Action News Now Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
You know, Alan, it was such a cool, really nice morning out there this morning. Felt very much like fall. Now, though, those winds just picking up. It's pretty scary.
Yeah, it is. It's concerning. We're in the red flag conditions right now, right, Jason?
Yes, we are, and it's actually going to get worse before it gets better. We're under one red flag warning that lasts until tomorrow morning. Another one's going to begin Wednesday night. That one's going to contain a lot stronger wind. We've had some breezy wind, I'll call it, around Tehama County as well as Shasta County today, but it's going to get a lot stronger from Wednesday afternoon through Wednesday night into Thursday also. Taking a live look outside, you can see beautiful blue sky, but it is hot, 93 degrees, a mostly sunny sky for Chico. The breeze is starting to pick up now, 17 miles an hour to the west-northwest. Redding, 93 after a high of 94 today. The wind out of the north at 14 miles an hour. Red Bluff tied a record high at 96. It's currently 94 degrees. The wind out of the north at 16. Oroville has actually risen a couple degrees since the last hour, now up to 90 degrees with the wind less than 10 miles an hour, but it's not going to stay there. We have a lot of windy weather coming, stronger wind for everybody. Temperatures a little bit cooler tomorrow, between 80 and 90 degrees, but sustained wind 15 to 25, gust to 35 tomorrow, and it's going to be much stronger than that late Wednesday into Thursday. So we have a red flag warning and a fire weather watch. All the areas in red and pink, as you can see. The red flag warning stops at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, but it resumes as a fire weather watch Wednesday night. Guaranteed tomorrow morning. It too will be a red flag warning for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with stronger wind late Friday into late Wednesday into Thursday also. And then we flip the script and we have colder weather coming. No snow associated with this because we're not going to have any clouds, but a freeze watch for Trinity County, Siskiyou County, and parts of Humboldt County. That for Thursday morning. Temperatures between 26 and 32 degrees during the morning hours, but it's still going to be warming up to above average levels. Right now, mainly 90s for the valley, more 70s and 80s for everybody else around Northern California. It's been a breezy to locally windy day, but it's going to be windy tomorrow and windier further on Thursday when yet another disturbance moves over Oregon. So no clouds outside. Here come the wind gusts, though. It's going to get gusty tomorrow morning, but much windier late Wednesday into Thursday as we look at our future cast for the wind. Here's 6 o'clock Thursday morning. Look at this. At 6 in the morning, a lot of wind gusts between 25 and 40 miles an hour. It's going to get stronger during the afternoon hours. The potential of some wind gusts, especially around the Jarbo Gap, upwards of 50 miles an hour Thursday afternoon. So keep that in mind, and please don't do anything that could cause any fires. For tomorrow, we're going to have temperatures in the 70s for the northern mountains, but the following morning dropping out of the 20s and 30s for overnight lows. Tomorrow morning, not quite that cold. For the Sierra as well as the Cascades, we'll have lows in the 30s. Daytime highs won't be quite as warm, but it's still going to be in the 70s with the wind increasing. For the Ridge, also windier tomorrow afternoon with temperatures in the 70s and 80s for highs, so not as warm as it has been, but it's going to be windier. For the valley tonight, we'll have some breezes, and that will continue through the afternoon and evening hours. Overnight lows in the 50s, highs still above average by 12 degrees, mid to upper 80s tomorrow afternoon. Over the Chico area, we'll have lows tonight in the 50s with a few breezes. It's going to be a breezy to locally windy afternoon tomorrow, but windier still on Thursday. Highs on Wednesday between 85 and 88 degrees. The next 7 days in Chico, we drop out of the 80s fairly quickly, so we'll be below average starting on Saturday, but a lot of breezy to windy days, especially late Wednesday through early Friday. And for Redding, upper 80s tomorrow, 70s after that, but there's a lot of wind, and unfortunately, no good chances for rain in this forecast.